This is the Roth, and he described that field, and he described the chariot. Now I describe the significance of that. This is the field. When we think the field is the world. And the Roth is I am Roth, and we are Roth. Our leg is the wheel. The Roth can go here and there by the wheel. We can go here and there. We can go for steel, or we can go to the mandir. This is we are the chariot, and we see there are 5 sons. Drishti, Bhima, Arjuna, Noble, Sahadevan. We have the 5 indriyo. That is in our Roth, in our body. Body is the Roth. Body is the Roth. And Arjuna is the warrior. We are the warrior. We fight from morning to night. And the Sri Krishna is the Rathi, and the body, the Kiti of Tej Murugdam are the body. That is the Roth. And the Atma, we are Atma, the part of Paramatma is so. We are not, we are only Atma, the part of Paramatma, the part of Ishwar. Only one time when the Mahapralaya, all are nothing. If we say Ved means knowledge. If we go to knowledge, you will understand that already finished when the Mahapralaya, that is the time. Only one God, and He creates all. And we are the part of all. We are the part as the body, the leg, the hands and the parts. That's the Atma is a part. That is, Atma is all. Paramatma is all. Ishwar is all. We are nothing. When we die, that's the time. You will die, you will find that we are nothing. We are the Atma, that is the part of Ishwar. That is, Ishwar is all. Sarva dharma parityajya, He is all. And He guides us. As the Sarathi, He guides us. He guides the Roth. The Roth is our body. When the Roth builds 206 parts. If we discuss our body, there are 206 bones. That is the Roth is our body. And there are different kinds of horse. There are 5 kinds of horse. 5 kinds. If we saw, there are different kinds of horse. And if we see, there are different kinds of Vasana and Kamana. When we worship the God, we take the dhoop and burn. We take 2 dhoops, that is Vasana and Kamana, or we take 5 dhoops, that we say, Oh God, you burned my Vasana and Kamana as the dhoop. Or you burned our 5 Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Matsarjo, burn for the reason. For the view of that, we take the dhoop and others. And you see, and we give the water. That is say, Ganga water as the pure. Oh God, I want to be pure. You take to the place, to the pure Atma. If you do not go there, you will be not mukto, that is mukto means mokho, dharma, tomakar, markam. You are the all the root. You can give ill, you can give all, dharma, artho, kam and mokho. Mokho means mixed. Once upon a time, only one God, I, the Atma of you, part of you, with hand, with sadhan and bhajan, for mixed with you. I am only, you are only one, I am a part of you, I mixed with you. For you know, surrendered under the gods, Gita, as Gita. Gita means Gita, that is Tagi, that is surrender under the gods, surrender under the gods. This time, Sarvadharma Puritajjan, we surrender under the God. And he said, oh Malik, you are God, you are God, you are all. And we surrender under you. By that time, all are you. And mixed you. I became Mukto. That is Mukho. Oh God. For the reason, we give you flower. That is beautiful. We give you, oh God, make your parts as a flower. And the flower go flower arranged under the God's feet. Oh God, you take me under your feet as the flower. And that is worship. All are for you. And there is the Hanuman, that is Shakti. The Shakti is on and he is the Bhakta of Ishwar Sri Krishna. Hanuman was the Bhakta of Ramchandra in Treta Yuga, and he was a big Bhakta, and in Dapur Yuga he was a Bhakta, and was set up on the chariot when Kurukshetra war. You see the Hanuman statue, that is. And when Kali Yuga, the Ramchandra is Sri Krishna, and he will be as Kalki avatar. When he will be Kalki avatar, he will be helper as 7 Chiranjeevis. However, if we discuss the chariot, this is the main significance of the Kurukshetra war and the chariot. When we surrender under the gods in the war of the day of war, we arise from the bed and go to war until we go to bed. If we surrender under the gods, all will be healed. So, you think Sarvadharman Puritajjan, Sri Krishna Saranam, Sri Krishna Karanam, and he promised to his Gita, Karmanno Badikarastu, Ma Phalesi Sadajano, and if we surrender, and when you go in danger, the Sadhu Purush and all, he will be appear. For the disease. He promised. Jada hi dharmasya, granir bhavati bharatam, abhuttanam adharmasya, tadatmanam sejammohan, puritana sadhanam, vinasaya sadriskidam, dharma samasta pranarthaya sambhavami jige. Jada hi dharmasya, granir bhavati bharatam. When Arjun, Bharat means Arjun, that is not Bharat means India, that is Arjun. When destroy the dharma for this reason, I appear for establish the dharma. When the dharma destroyed, at that time I appear for establish the dharma, and I destroy the adharmic, and I establish the dharma. I protect my dharma, my sadhu santo and my bhakto. I promised what he did. He appeared when the dharma go to danger, danger. He appeared in Satyata Yug as Ram, and he appeared in Dapur Yug, that is Sri Krishna, Sri Krishna, Sri Krishna, and in Kali Yug, Kalki Avatar, Kalki Avatar, Kalki Avatar. Sri Krishna in connection with Ghora, that is horse, and the Kalki is connection with Ghora, Ghora, Ghora. Rider, and he is the rider of the horse. He is not as a chariot. He is only a horse. When horse come close, low, mad, matsarya, and others. But the effect of Kali Purus, they are in danger. For the distribution under the Kalki Avatar, he protect him, and he will be avatar as a Kalki Avatar in this Kali Yuga. For this reason, he said, he promised. When that will be the God. It's so. We are when we are standing under the authority, standing under the Kali Purus and other, and the God is so Mahan. He appeared. So surrender on the God. All will be finished when we die. All are something that is no value, but only one. The neighbor is only God. When you will finish, the God will be only your neighbor. So surrender under the God. Surrender under the God. And believe his words. Sarva dharman purityajang. Sri Krishna Saranam, Sarva dharman purityajang. Sri Krishna Saranam. This is the main theme of the Gita. As the dharmasya glanir bhavati bharatam abhuttanam vadhamasya tadatmanang sijamham paritrana sadhanam vinasaya chaduriskham dharma samasthapanarthayo sambhamami juge. That is the main theme of the year. So I request to keep all the world's leg center under the God, Sri Krishna. He is the only your neighbor, where all are your mayas, all are not your main neighbor. Only God is your. So surrender under the God and said, and believe the words of the Dharman Purityajang, Saranam under the God's Kalki. Finish.